cabbage, cauliflower, celeriac, pumpkin, gourd, broccoli, onion, garlic, mushroom, ginger, turmeric, tamarind, ridge gourd, spiny gourd, pointed gourd, bitter gourd, snake gourd, cucumber, brinjal, calabash, marrow, endive, squash, green jack, potato, taro, cassava, yam, jicama, elephant yam, beetroot, artichoke, carrot, radish, daikon, leek,